Thank you very much to our brothers and sisters. We recognize the bishops present here and the leaders of the congregation. I would like to make special mention of Leti, a family friend who had been very diligent in following me up. Sabi niya, wag mong kalimutan yung family niya. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, ate, wag kang mag-alala. Darating ako. Pero maaga pa ako. May motorcade pa kayo. And so I went to somewhere there in southern barangays. Kasi mayroon tayong pumanaw ng mga kapatid. But then na-traffic ako dahil sa Tulor-Tulang Manaya. So, inunahan ko yung... Ay, Pani, thank you. Inunahan ko yung motorcade nila. Tapos nakintay ako doon sa bridge, sa Balukok. Tapos